Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to see your fuel consumption based on your driving, your recent driving at least. So first we will start the vehicle, and then once it all boots up, we're going to use these buttons to toggle between everything. Your menu toggles, your up and down. This is an enter button and a back button. So we're going to use this a few times first. So hit through that toggle. Oh, and that's the screen we're looking for. I just passed it, so I'll just keep clicking so we get back to it. And then, yep, so this one here, with this symbol, it should show you your average fuel consumption on your recent driving based on, this information. And then you can also activate some of that in the display. And here's some more as well. Under this gearbox, we'll go down once, and then on this main menu selection, we're hitting enter. And then, you'll want these either checked or unchecked based on whichever you'd like to see in some of these menus. I'll just leave them checked, but I'm just going up and down and pushing enter. It just auto saves every time you make a change like that. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.